Howdy, y'all. Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Dallas, Texas at the International Motorcycle Show. Y'all guys stick around. I'm in the Indian booth here. A lot of people here. I'm here in the Victory booth. I was surprised they were here since they stopped production on the Victory a few days ago. And by the way, my opinion about that is that I'm sad, because they make some damn good bikes.
House, gladly signing autographs, taking photos. Make sure you stop by the Circuit of the Americas display. We will be there.
I think throttle therapy is kind of a cool phrase for doing things.
I'm in the Harley Davidson booth. They're putting out some pretty nice bikes this year. In the Yamaha area here. That little red bike over there reminds me of my first 250. There's Strokers. Strokers is in Dallas. And that's their website right there if you want to check them out. Very cool place. That's Rick Fairless right there in the tie-dye. This one's an African Twin. This is what Dale up in Heartland Dual Sports. Heartland Dual Sports. I'll get it right one of these days, Dale. Beautiful bike.
Cowboys fans out, huh? Woo! Unfortunately, I do love the Packers, so good luck tomorrow. We're gonna have some fun.
They're doing tattoos over here, which is pretty cool. They're not permanent, but still pretty cool.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's your name?
My name's AJ Cuevas. Like no other airbrushing with Geek Magazine, Tattoo Pro Stencils. That is over here at the International Motorcycle Show.
That's a little bit.
Looks pretty damn cool.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I had a fantastic time here at the International Motorcycle Show here in Dallas, Texas. If you ever get a chance to check out one of these shows, do it. I think they got 3 more coming up here pretty soon, and they're at different locations. Just check out their website. The link will be down below. Hey guys, if you want to see more of these videos, click on the subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch y'all on the road. Fun, 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 fun.